Hi, I'm Jasmine and I was sent this folding camping chair to check out for you. I love these chairs. I grew up camping my entire life and these director's folding chairs were always our favorite. Let me show you this a little bit closer. So this is the black and gray, but you can also get it in a navy and gray. I love this breathable mesh material. It's super thick and feels very durable. The same thing on the back. This feature is so cool. It has these pockets on the side and I've sat in a lot of camping chairs and none of them have had this. There's room for your water bottle, your phone. These two little pockets, a flashlight could fit in there really well and they Velcro closed. And then this one zips closed. This has a Velcro straps here and here. And then this Velcro's on the chair here. So you can even take it off if you want to. On this side, it has this awesome little tray that you can have up or push it down. So you can put your drinks in the cup holder here and even a coffee mug will fit in there. And your snacks or again, your phone there. This is such a great quality chair. To fold it up, we just push this down and then pull. And it folds up nice and flat so it's easy to take with you. Then when you're ready to use it again, you just pull these apart and push down on the seat and it's ready to go. This chair has plenty of room on either side of me and can hold up to 450 pounds. Overall, I love this chair and I can't wait to take it camping with me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.